Hi, and welcome to This Is My Architecture in New Zealand. I am Nick. I'm here with Chandan from Lyniate. Hi, Chandan.
Hi, Nick. Thanks for having me here.
Can you tell us a little bit about Lyniate?
Definitely. At Lyniate, we develop products and solutions to deliver cutting-edge data integration and interoperability solutions across the healthcare landscape. So combined with our flagship products, CoPoint and Rhapsody, we ensure we deliver data platforms, which is very catering to the needs of our healthcare customers. So one of the primary products that we have developed for cloud is Lyniate Envoy, which is our data integration platform, which is offering our customers solutions which can transform data for them and deliver to their desired destinations.
Thanks. And I see interesting architecture here for Envoy. Can you tell us how healthcare data actually flows through Envoy?
Definitely. So Envoy is built upon Kubernetes. So what we do in Envoy is we customize solutions and deploy it as a containerized application in EKS. So our CI/CD pipelines in our development pushes the data into ECR. When I say data, it is integration engines, requirements, and solutions as a containerized image. And we deploy containerized solution to EKS. And to expose the data to healthcare or establish connectivity, we use NLB in conjunction with HA proxy, which is ingress controller. So these two help us get the data from the hospitals or the healthcare institutions and deliver them to their desired destination, which can be another healthcare institution.
And what led you to actually deciding on network load balancer?
Yes, that was an interesting choice for us because most of the data exchange in healthcare happens in layer 4, which is via TCP. So NLB in conjunction with HA proxy gives us the flexibility to ensure the data flows securely in our network and also securely transferred to the destination.
And I understand in healthcare, tenant isolation is really important, and looks like you're starting at network layer with NLB. What do you do with this on compute layer?
That's right. Because this is multi-tenant architecture, we should ensure we segregate the deployments of multiple customers. So what we do is we leverage Kubernetes and Kubernetes namespace. So we deploy each of our containerized solution in their own dedicated namespaces per customer and per customer environment. This ensures that they are segregated. And also NLB and also HA proxy ensures that we can whitelist the known IPs where the source and the destination so that customer data flows in the known channel.
Awesome. And how do you isolate tenants' data between them?
Yeah, so one of the things that we do is we select encrypted EBS volumes, and these are attached to the dedicated deployments per customer. This way, we are sure that only those containers can access the EBS volumes, and that stays safe in between them.
Wow, so you've got network, compute, and storage tenant isolation sorted.
Yeah.
One thing I understand with healthcare is there are a lot of regulations and compliance requirements, and it varies between different jurisdictions. How do you manage this with Envoy?
That's right. So that's definitely one of the important things for us. So what we ensure is we select services from AWS which are HIPAA compliant. That way we are all tick with the regulatory requirements. And also another thing that we do is we deploy these clusters across the globe. What that will ensure us is there are some geographical requirements from customers to ensure that the data does not leave their borders. So deploying these clusters in the regions across the globe, we can ensure that we deploy customers in a cluster that is near to them, and we ensure the regulatory requirements are taken care of.
Deploying into many regions must have some cost implications. Have you been able to achieve any cost savings?
Yeah, definitely, yes. So a couple of things that we do is for compute, we ensure we select Graviton instances. ARM-based Graviton instances from AWS gives us a lot of saving. In addition to that, we select the newer variant of EBS, which is GP3 volumes. So both of these put together gives us a good amount of saving, I think close to 20%. So this ensures we are optimized and we can pass on some of that to the customers as well.
And what are some of the feedbacks you're hearing from your customers?
Yeah, first of all, this being managed service, a fully managed service taken care by our experienced team. And first of all, Lyniate as such has a vast amount of experience processing multi-million messages, healthcare records every single day. And also, we designed solution. We just take the problem statement from the customer, design the solution for them, take care of the deployment, take care of the connectivity, and customer can relax and ensure that we take scalability, security, maintainability on the Lyniate side.
And thank you for sharing this interesting architecture with us. It's great learning about how Lyniate Envoy is providing many solutions for healthcare providers to exchange health data securely.
Yeah, thanks, Nick. First of all, thanks for having me here. And yes, definitely, being with AWS and vast amount of services that we get, especially the compliance-based services and global presence, is definitely helping us a lot in achieving this architecture.
Thanks, Chanda. And thank you for watching This Is My Architecture.